Hello students, today we are going to conduct a lecture on assembly to detail drawings of drilling jig. In previous lectures, we have completed number of topics, number of drawings which are related to assembly to detail drawings. For example, let's tail stock, pedestal bearing, plumber block. We have drawn the detailed parts from the assembly. This is the assembly of flex tail stock and this is the detailed part. Now in this lecture, we are going to draw the detailed parts of drilling jig. So before that, we should know why drilling jig is used. It is used to guide the drill bit into the workpiece. Also for easy clamping and unclamping. If we know the purpose or the function of the component and we know how to assemble and how to disassemble the component, then we can easily draw the different parts of any mechanical component. So drilling jig is used to guide the drill bit into the workpiece. So if you observe the assembly, the number of parts we can observe. Some drills are there, one nut, bolt, washer, body part, all these things we can see. Now this is the 3D component prepared with the help of modeling software. It may be CATIA, it may be Creo, it may be SolidWorks. You can prepare such type of component with the help of any three-dimensional modeling software. So these are the different parts of drilling jig. We should know all these parts. Then and only then we will go for the details. See, you have to draw such type of detail 2D or cut section diagrams, and you have to mention the part list. Okay, see in this part we'll see base plate, drill. Other parts are nut and bolt, which are not shown over here, but we can see easily in this assembly diagram. Nut and bolt are also present over there. Stem plate. Now we know this is the assembly part. These are the different parts of drill jig, and we have to draw this diagram with the help of our knowledge. So if you carefully observe this diagram, at very first base plate is given. So this is a base plate provided over here, made up of cast iron material, which will be mentioned over here, cast iron, and whatever quantity you have given, just mention over in this table. Second component is stem. Here we'll observe the second component, and most important component is jig plate. This is the jig plate. The front view and top view is over here. This is the top view, and this is the front view. number of holes are there, and here they have mentioned how many numbers of holes are present. 6 holes are there. Having diameter, whatever provided in your examination, you have to mention over here. In this diagram, 25 diameter is provided. 6 holes are there. So you have to mark all the 6 holes in proper angle, in proper place. This is one of the main component, jig plate made up of cast iron with quantity 1. This screw, nut, stud, all these components are also necessary. Here they have mentioned screw. Then this is the stud. Stud is having threading on both sides of shank, which is made up of mild steel. The nut is also provided. The next component, that is component number 7, bush case hardened, which is made up of steel material. Point number 8, latch washer, again quantity 1. And point number 9 is screw. So all these things you have to draw according to the dimensions only. These components are mentioned over here. Just imagine first of all how the dismantling process of drilling jig is there, and how to draw the detailed components, how to mention number of holes, diameter, dimensions, all these things. If you properly mention, then you will get the full marks. So these are the detailed parts of drilling jig assembly.